The given table shows the prices of three different types of fruits. 1/4 of the fruits Rajesh brought were apples. 1/8 of them were mangoes and rest were chicos. If Rajesh spent a total amount of rupees 630 on apples and mangoes, then how much did he spend on chicos? Pause this video and read the problem again. Now we'll solve the problem. See here, on apples he spent 1 by 4. On mangoes he spent 1 by 8. So what is total of 1 apple plus mangoes? 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8. Now how do you add this? I have shown it in my earlier videos. First check if any LCM is available. Yes, 4 and 8 LCM is available. 8. 4 2s are 8. So 1 into 2. 2 plus this 1 and denominator common. So it becomes 3 upon 8. It means he has spent 3 upon 8 amount on apple plus mangoes. So let's plot this. So these are total 8 parts. Out of that 3 parts he has spent on apples plus mangoes both, and these 5 parts he has spent on chicos. Now what is the amount total he spent on apples plus mangoes? That is 630. So 3 parts equals to 630 rupees. So what will be 1 part then? 3 parts equals to 630. So 1 part equals to 630 divided by 3. 3 2s are 1s and 0s are 2 and 0. So 1 part equals to 2 and 0 now. Okay. Now how many parts has he spent on chicos? 5 parts. So 2 and 0 multiplied by 5. 1 part is 2 and 0 and these are 5 parts which he has spent on chicos. So 210 multiplied by 5. So 1050. You do these multiplications, these divisions yourself. I have told and explained in my earlier videos. That's why I am skipping it now. So final answer is 1050, which he has spent on chicos. So answer is D. Important point to note is the value of each apple, mango, chiku is of no use to you in this problem. Remember this.